problem. That's why I said I didn't care. That Jav, clean sister pool. Javanoni. Blood clot. Javanoni. Yeah. Up. Yeah. But Jav, you cannot do Jav. But when me I say, the picture where they post with Tanya is Tanya's mouth. If you lot can go look at the video and look at the fucking picture, the girl's supposed to have a fucking tattoo straight down to her fucking breast, yeah? And the person on the tattoo on their chest, yeah? The person don't have no tattoo on their chest. So simple to be, that's not Tanya on the picture. So you lot get tricked again. You lot get tricked again. You lot get tricked again. That's why I told you lot I didn't want to get involved because the whole of you lot are the same fucking shit. I tell Dawn, don't tell me what Marie said. I don't care about what Marie said. Marie and Tanya was friends. I don't care. I'm not interested. If Tanya and Marie never followed, Marie would have come back and said nothing. So that's what I said to Dawn. I'm not getting involved because to the end of the day, if my son did get kidnapped or anything, my son he never run away. Nothing never happened to him. Yeah, him just pick up himself and do him own. So I don't want to get involved. The whole of you lot on social media, the whole I want to need to go to fucking church. If you look at that picture, the girl's supposed to, the girl's here, and the girl, Tanya face more fatter than the girl's face, and more fat, because Tanya is fucking big and fat, right? That person's face is more slimmer, yeah? So all of you lot, run with it. It's Tanya fucking mouth. Run with it. That's her fucking mouth. That's her fucking mouth. You lot are just crazy fucking people. You lot are just crazy. That's why sometimes I just don't listen to none of you lot. None of you lot. Run with it. Yep. Tanya, tell them say yeah, it's your mouth. It looks so clean. You want it to be like that. Yep. You're a British citizen. It not do not to you. So at them are the fucking clown. Them are the fucking clown. Uno are just a fucking clown. That's why I said I didn't want to hear what Marie was saying. Because to the end of the day, if it did happen, people have to run from England and run to Jamaica. When them run to Jamaica, it would have been a totally different mix up in a Jamaica. You understand where I come from? So that's why I said to the lady, I don't want to hear nothing, not getting involved. I'm not involved in nothing. I don't care what Tanya said or what Tanya was saying. I don't give a fuck. I'm not getting involved. But what I have to say, that picture, you dumbass fucking people on social media have nothing good to do, and half a phone mode look like that. Half a phone mode just listen to mix up and get the wrong mix up, the wrong fucking mix up, the wrong mix up, the wrong fucking mix up, the wrong mix up. I said that's Tanya mouth. That is not Tanya mouth. Tanya have a big fucking tattoo on her chest straight to her fucking breast, yeah? And that girl don't have no fucking tattoo. And Tanya feels big as fuck, yeah? Bigger than that. And that girl face is just small. Jesus Christ. You lot are just ridiculous on social media. Fucking hell. You lot are just dumb. Run with it. Tanya, yes, I hear your mouth. That's how your mouth supposed to look. Yep. But them run with it, say your mouth. Them lot the stupid one. Them are the stupid one. Them. Because them sometimes when people turn on them live, them just believe what people said about people. Because they're fucking stupid. They're stupid people. on social media because they live for this and they just want people to just bring down people. Damn. Check back the video. If I sure know so they have a screenshot of the mouth, check the mouth and see on their fucking neck. If you see a big fucking color tattoo on the person's neck, and check if you don't see that the girl face smaller than Tanya, because Tanya is a big face girl. So you lot supposed to have knowledge and wisdom. You lot are dumb as fuck. You lot are just dumb as fuck. Dumb as fuck. You lot just pick up a picture and just say it's the person. You lot are just dumb as fuck. I was thinking to myself, how the hell Tanya just take a picture like that and send it to her fucking friend? But when I look at the picture now, I see say it's not fucking Tanya. Jesus Christ. Boy, Tanya, they're going to put you in a rehab before next year. So the best thing you just lock down your internet. They're going to put you to rehab. For this page, they're going to put you to rehab. I see it's going to go. If they're not put you to rehab, you're going to have a stroke. You're going to have an heart attack. You're going to have many things because internet. Yeah? So the best thing you do is just walk away from this, because to the end of the day, these all you're not going to meet in real life. So why you need to speak to them? Half of these people are just living in denial. They're all living in denial, and they just bring down people and they get a kick out of it, and they just find it amazing. Find it amazing. That's not even the girl. That's not even the girl though. Bad to bad. That's not even the girl face. That's not even off the girl. That's not even the girl though. Seriously. Boy, may I tell you, social media is a hell of a blood clot thing. That's what I said to Marie. Even if I'm just saying, yeah, even if Tanya did say what she did say, it's up to she when she was speaking that. But what I'm trying to say, I don't want to hear. I don't want it to hear. I'm not here to. No, because you and Tanya fall out, you're telling me I'm not interested. I don't want to know. Because to the end of the day, it never run away. Nothing never happened to him. Only just big enough and nosy and put on a business to it. Because if anything did happen to him or anything, it would have caused a big problem in England, and it's gonna cause a worse a big problem in Jamaica. I'm not asking me, I tell you, but that cause a problem in Jamaica, and it's gonna cause a big problem in England. Big problem. So, you know, when you know better, and you do better, and you have knowledge, and you have wisdom, that's why I close it down, because none of them fuckery. It couldn't happen anyway. Not in a life. Not in a this morning, nothing could have happened. And even if anything happened, it wouldn't let go like that. It wouldn't let go. So that's why I said I don't want to hear nothing. Just leave me out of it. Me and the girl, me and Tanya don't have no problem. Me have no problem with none of uno. Just don't call my pitney name. Nothing what Tanya said about my pitney. I don't want you know, because you lot are just bagger and just full of shit. And none of on social media is going to set me up, because you see me are the smartest blood clot girl pan yaso. Yeah? Me are the smartest blood clot girl pan yaso. I watch a what out on the blood clot page. I'm a blood clot self. But my pick sense out of blood clot nonsense. You see me? My pick sense out of nonsense. And everything me jump in her. When my sister it not make sense, but now put myself in it. Not putting myself in it. So just Check back again when you see the picture and check back and see bad to bad, that's not the girl's mouth, okay? So you lot just run with it and say it's the girl's mouth. Just run with it. Run and say, ooh, look at her mouth. Look at her mouth. You lot are bagger. I don't want none of you call my name. I don't want nothing for doing none of you. Please don't call my name. I'm not interested. I'm not arguing none of you. I don't have no beef with none of you. None of you. So please don't call my name. Do not call my name and just take me out of it. Maria, I don't want to hear nothing what happened from 3 years ago. 1 year ago, I don't want to hear nothing. Don't want to hear nothing. I'm not interested. Boom bang. My close it done. I'm not interested. Yeah, your friend. Yeah, your friend. Angle your bango and start it out. Because if you and Tanya wasn't friend, Maria would have bust it out. If you and Tanya was same friend, if you and Tanya was same friend, you would have talk it. Imagine if it did happen for true and Tanya was trying to kidnap him or him go up on the road or whatever. Eh? Why not tell me? Eh? Why the fuck not tell me? So Mary, that's why I said I don't want to hear nothing. Because you was on the phone with Tanya. You was on the phone with Tanya, appalling with it. It wasn't Tanya alone. You was on the phone, appalling with it. So why are you telling me 1 year after? Maria, my belly pain, and you're in belly pain, so you don't give a fuck. Now because you're telling me something, I'm going to listen to it. It's not you're free for talk now. Maria, you're free for talk now, but you never free for talk last year when you see people. That's why Jamaican people always getting themselves in that trouble. Cause Maria used to say that is going to be a fucking belly pain, and now yeah, your friend fall out. No, yeah, talk about it. Maria, I don't want to hear. I do not want to hear because nothing could have happened because it would have caused whole heap of problem at Jamaica. Holy problem at Jamaica. I'm gonna ask. It would have caused whole heap of problem. Whole heap of problem. Who know me in a real life? I know my family them. It would have caused whole heap of problem in Jamaica. Whole heap of problem. So that's why I said I don't want to know nothing what nobody said. I'm not interested. Keep it. Yep. Tanya wanted to. Tanya said, yeah, him for dead. Yep. Tanya said him for dead. Yep. But the grace of God, him never dead. The grace of God, when you just love people business and just love in our people business and you don't know nothing what happened and you just put when it's some post when you don't know what happened and it's some post it and you just up in our people business. First of all, him never run away. Second of all, him never run away. Him look a friend got stabbed up, yeah, and the police was looking, yeah, because he was there. You understand where I come from? So him get a shock and him see him look a friend get stabbed. So he went outside, run out of the house, and him see upon him Snapchat and him watch him look a friend get stabbed. So you lot just love people business, and to the end of the day, the police did pick him up the same time. So you lot just love people business and love enough up on yourself, and you don't only just love people business and don't know fuck all. People business is going to kill you a lot. Mind your own business before you mind other people business. Look at Tanya's mouth. Yeah, tell social media. Look at Tanya's mouth. Yeah, continue saying that. Continue saying that 6 days a week. Look at her mouth. Continue saying that. Continue saying that. Look at inside of her mouth. When you lot keep on saying that, what you lot get? You lot getting money? Sometimes you see Uno. boy, you see me? You see me? That's why the people them some of this, some of that, some of that, you know. Because, yes, that's why the people them some of this, some of that, some of that, some of this, some of that, some of that, some of this, some of that, some of that. Tanya knows some is a clever blood clot girl. Ask Tanya in front of her back. Tanya know that I'm fucking clever. Ask Tanya behind her back and on her fucking face. Tanya know that I'm so fucking clever. That's why sometimes I don't listen to none of you lot. I do not listen. That's why you see sometimes me think before me talk. When I just talk, me look before me talk, and me think before it makes sense. If it don't make sense, me as a person, I don't like talk. I'm not a talkative person. It have to make sense before me talk. That's how I am. I think before I talk. I'm gonna just talk. I think before me talk. So run with it and say it's the girl fucking mouth. Javanani. Jav. Where's Javanani? Jav, where's Javanani? My other from here, so girl. Bumbleclaw, Jav. I'm show the video. Cause you lot are dumb as fuck. Where's the video? I'm turn on the phone here. I'll show you the video. You lot are crazy. You lot are fucking crazy, my dear. I be a crazy people over here, so. And they love talk about people this and they love talk about that. Job, me don't know why it not add your job. Job, me don't know why it not add your. Come add your back from here, so. Wait, me just do the so. Wait, the job. Me I show you so job. Bad to bad. Me I show you so. Before my best friend come. Alright, people, I'm gonna show you something. Boy, me I tell you. Wait. I wish page me up over here, so. The amount of page me have is unbelievable. Cause me have to watch out of my blood clot here. I don't want nobody come mix me. So me have to watch out of my eye. Come and share some people. Only get trick again. You lot are just fucking ridiculous. Wait, Jam, me want to show you something. Wait. I hope this. Oh, it go. I want to something there again. Oh, shit. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, yeah. Look. Wait, hold on. You see the tattoo? You see it? Jam, I don't know right now are they goods. Look. Them clam. Where's the tattoo on the breast?
No, sir. Ukku has
Have.
seen. Ukku, you hear me? People not hear me? You not hear me?
Talk.
You hear me, Ukku?
Jav, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, all
Talk.
right.
I can hear
All
you.
right, yeah. All right. So, the two women them are cuss. The people them say are who fi tell them for done right. them talk about things, right?
Yeah.
And them say what them have to say, talk what them have to talk, say. Them say the woman throat full of gonorrhea, all of them something there. Them say who have money for who, whatsoever, right?
Yeah.
When I stir up nobody, you know. But
Yeah.
if the party I can show them why the other party cannot show for them bill and receipt with them
That
for
dive,
come out and
that,
do it gonorrhea in our throat.
boy, me I tell you.
Sierra, let me tell you something. You see, Sierra, this is not a drag out different country. And you want to Rwanda, yeah? Because why you not over the CER with a jail blood clot number and tell the drunk them over there say she that sell it so or if stop with because it's not the woman that kiss me blood clot black eerie bumble wall when I have underneath me. Go and come off a blood clot this a who uno. I uno want blood clot to see the people more because if uno never blood clot come up here so if uno never did entertain nothing like this would not blood clot happen.
Javi, can't hear me?
People and make them do what them a do. Loud them make them do what them a blood clot do. The people them not
Jav.
stand them not and them not look leave the blood clot people them people like under the blood clot.
And don't know fucking nothing. You lot mind people business and you lot just because you ate one person, yeah? When you eat one person, yeah? Only just want to bring down to one person. So Una gonna say it's the girl. If you ate somebody so fucking much, yeah, you're supposed to know how the girl look. You lot don't know the girl. So that's why you lot hate her so much. Because really and truly, the way the girl sit on the picture and she take the picture, really and truly, Tanya have a big fucking tattoo straight down to her fucking long fucking breast. So you're supposed to see the picture. If you shall hold it up, you're supposed to see the picture up. You're supposed to see the tattoo up on her chest. You're supposed to see the tattoo up on her chest. So how we never see the tattoo up on her chest? You lot just make up stories. You lot are story. You just only send it don't do internet, but una internet fucking sensation. You lot send it don't do internet, but una in everybody business though. That's the offer you lot get chicken social media. Offer you lot get chicken social media because what sometimes they don't even investigate it, you know, they run with it. Run with it. Run with it like it's running fucking Queen. Run with it. Run with it. Yeah? Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna show you the video. Look, I'm gonna show you the video. I hope the live don't cut off, Pandy. I'm gonna show you the video when Tanya show the fucking dress, yeah? I'm gonna show you the video. So, when Tanya show her dress pan so when I see it pan the blood clot, look. Idiot people on the dumb as fuck. I'm gonna show, you know. Wait, I'm gonna brighten my fucking phone. Let me see you get gone. Wait. Baby mama. Oh, this can't brighten. I the light need for turn on. I'm not turn on my light. I'm not want to see nothing on my house. I'm gonna show, you know. Look. A tattoo on my chest. Yeah. So if the big blood clot red tattoo on the on my chest, so that for me. Look at the girl big tattoo on the chest. Blood clot. You lot are fucking monkeys. Look. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Straight to the girl big fucking breast. Right up to her fucking neck. Look at that. You lot get checked. Where? Where? You lot get checked. Look. Where's the girl tattoo? Look there. So if the big blood clot red tattoo on the on my chest, so that for me. Where? How it for me blood clot me? Look there. And fair tattoo stand out. Look at her tattoo stand out right next to her neck. Una clown, go. But I good none on the part social media. The whole on our blood clot clump on this. Go. Una lift for blood clot bring down. Go. Una mix up. The whole on our blood clot mix up. Go. The whole of you lot are mixed up. Where? 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 Wanna get trick again? Where? The whole of you get trick. Where? Where? The whole of a cartoon character on Instagram. Where? On the eat one somebody so and the one somebody just living on a blood clot life. On the eat one somebody. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna have to turn on my light, but you me don't want to turn on my light. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on my light till you see the tattoo. Hold on, girl. I don't want to take nothing on my blood clot or kind of cartoon character. On a cartoon character. Look, look, baby, look at her chest. On my phone, hold on. Is it my phone? Hold on. Look for the big tattoo now for that chest. Look. Ah, you look at shit! You look at shit! Go suck on the mother. You look got shit. But that person don't have no tattoo. Look. Where's the tattoo? Where is the tattoo of that person? Look at the person on her neck. You lot are compulsive fucking crazy ass nigga. You lot just run with certain shit. And you off don't know nothing. That's the walla uno. The whole one that got on the whole one that got prison. Cause I be a crazy ass people out here now. Be a crazy ass people out here now. Be crazy ass people out here now. Be crazy ass people out here now. And look at, alright, I'm gonna show you a picture of Tanya's face, yeah? How Tanya's face big, yeah? And that person's face small, bro. Are you lot just believe it's Tanya? Oh, you lot just need to go drink some bleach, bro. Oh my god. Tanya's face bigger than that, look. Look how Tanya face big like fucking balloon. Are you really think that's Tanya? Oh, you lot are fucking crazy. You lot are fucking crazy, man. And that's the person face smaller. And a cheekbone. Look how Tanya cheekbone big. Can look like Tanya come out of one big breed family. Look how Tanya cheekbone big. Yes, wait, I'll show you a picture. Oh, Tanya cheekbone big. Tanya have a big fucking cheekbone. I have to look. Look how cheekbone fucking big on the picture. Look. Eh? Look. You lot are fucking crazy. You lot are crazy. You lot are fucking crazy. You lot are crazy. Run with it and say the girl mouth. Run with it. Cause you lot are crazy. You lot are fucking crazy. Cause you know love mix up. People twisting and twine, you know. If you don't have blood clot common sense. People would twist, you know, and twine, you know, and drop uno in the mess. That's what people would do. Drop uno in the mess. Drop uno in the mess. And look at the girl now. Look at the girl where they say it's Tanya. Look at the girl. Look at the girl. Wait, hold on. What me not show? Look at, alright, look down there, so bad to bad. Look down there, so at the girl breast. Look down there, so at the girl breast. You see the tattoo down there, so with her neck? Look, me zoom it up. Bomba clock, you wicked man. You wicked. You wicked. You wicked. What is a wicked vampire people on social media? When a wicked in the blood clot. Look under the girl neck. Under your so look. See the girl neck there? When next to a bone cheek. Look. Under the girl. Look. Look there. You know, see something crazy. Now crazy man, fucking vampires. But I go pan none on the life so they can't rub me as much as on a blood clot want. The whole I wanna live in a denial. That must say, job me add your back cause I can't add your back pan this cause I change phone. Oh yeah. See that I job there. The whole I wanna live in a denial if yeah. Oh no crazy. On the crazy people who just live for social media. Social media go show. Sometimes you see only when people turn on a live. That's why something
Yeah,
that you see when people you see when why job
I'm
now
up
come
there
up.
in the year, girl.
Sometimes when people turn on their live, yeah, I can't hear no goods.
No, so
Job.
they might report your page man Ukku or something.
Well, you can't talk now. You can't
Yeah,
talk.
me, yeah, hear me now. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can hear
The
you.
person
You
when
better.
name CER with the jailer's number, me blood clot know you come see you all over the people in social media site. Anywhere you're going at the baga world, me see you. You no blood clot. You understand? And you see you with your blood clot ID number, I beg you. Don't have nothing more to say about the people. Because you don't know the people from Adams with the mixed up blood clots. The woman attack her, them call the woman pit name. So what if the woman want to talk? You see nobody argue. Low blood clot people and them business alone. Tanya arrest. Tanya arrest and down their work. One more you want here, CER jailers? Eh? The woman, them hear about the blood
Ah,
clot incident and them come to the woman, send the woman short and tell the woman, oh, the blood clot drunker them talk about the woman kidney. What the woman says she don't want hear not about that because when everybody was friend, them never did that tell her. So drunk under the blood
that's
clot
it.
ID jailer's number, me I beg you. Me just I beg you. Oh, then you not have no blue tick, baby. That's if you come off, can nobody else not run a blue tick. When I run on blue tick, Instagram take off CER with the jealous number, cause them need to go, them not a blue tick. Nobody with blue tick though
You
blood
see,
clot
don't get
argue with
just talk
you.
job. Just
Me I
talk my
give
sister.
CER something cause CER come up. CER. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I would like to give you a CPR. Mm-hmm. CER. What again you gonna say? And you know why we
Job.
wicked?
Sometimes people
You
have
know see
to.
why we wicked? Because we par with
Yeah,
wickeder than we and them teach we. So
yeah.
we have to be the wicked. So you should have depend the wicked page and listen to none of we are
Mm.
wicked. You know see saying on a blood clot sense, you know stupid and dumb. You know stupid and dumb. Hmm? The whole I don't want to see it, I don't know get it for see no woman that talk about her blood clot people and I say you talk about the woman want blood clot start war argument. Go suck your mother CER. Nobody no want to see you. I have some shit in a one bucket when I just shit whether I want to take it and chew up your dirty blood clot. Some of the comments need to go. On live under blood clot roof and cellar, on have blood clot, on claim to say on a blood clot at a hype. Me glad my house blood clot broke down. I'm glad to live in our board house. But no found can show on the blood clot in a
Job,
see, see,
job.
when now come on for people and leave blood clot people alone. Who could supposed to talk about our good, nice, clean, unsucked blood clot mouth? Because someone not talk on the mouth kind of study. You brush your teeth for morning,
I want
you
to make
wake.
sure, job, job, keep your mouth quiet. Job, keep your mouth quiet 1 minute. I want to make sure clear it up. Me and Tanya is not talking on underneath no WhatsApp group. Me and Tanya is not talking on no Instagram. Me just I say it's not blood clot Tanya mouth and end of blood clot story. And Tanya can tell me to come on social media
Thank
and do
you.
this. Me and Tanya is not speaking. You understand I'm coming from? But just I talk the truth. Look on the blood clot girl neck and I see the big blood clot tattoo on Tanya slaggy breast, the picture don't have no tattoo on the next person. So the what would need to go drink some bleach and hang on the blood clot self on social media.
What's
Go away.
next?
And that's the end of
Next.
story. What's
Next.
next? Yeah.
Next, we in the blood clot classroom. Answer your name present. Your blood clot, I want to unwrap some on you see. But they must say, hold it back, man. Hold it. Give it little time. We are hold it time, give it little time. Can you see all you? You see all you were under the blood clot jealous number we are top. We're not arguing people, but with people with blue tick, you need a chop and a stab.
Tell them baga.
Are you and your blood clot friend, them a drag the woman pitney. You another fake page who want come argue with me, and you and the people that drag the woman and our blood clot pitney, we're going to turn it for you now, CER with the jealous number. Come. We want to send her, you want to go over somewhere over Africa where nobody no blood clot notice you.
But she worry about she bad to bad she worry about Tanya Pitney them and like she can fuck and breed. Bad to bad. Go fuck and
And now
breed,
you
man.
wonder if I
At least
hate
the
you.
government will look after.
I do, Tanya Ukku.
Go fuck and
Go
breed.
fuck and breed.
Go fuck and breed, man.
Go
fuck and breed. If Tanya can't look after the blood clot Pitney, the government will look after the Pitney. Go fuck and breed.
You're taking application for Godmother and Godfather. You can sign up a blood clot farm and see if you can book your reservation.
Go fuck and breed.
Well, I'm no mad. What no mad for? What no mad for? What the blood clot to no mad for? What no mad for? Auntie Tanya is unbothered. What the fuck? She's so fucking unbothered.
Look, if Tanya can look after the government will take it and look after it. The government is not putting no money in an account to look after Tanya kids. So you lot are so fucking
And
stupid.
in England,
You lot
right?
are so
Ukku.
stupid.
So she get benefits. She get everything.
Yeah, you lot are so stupid. You lot are so stupid. Stupid. You lot are stupid. You lot are stupid.
And you look like when they push it out of my blood clot door and the sun come dry, the rain come wet it and the sun come back, come dry it again, they come like dust.
Dog shit.
Way in a contagious. You're like the dust, baby. Thank you. Talk about it now, the woman with the monarch. The woman will talk about her monarch. What I want Boris Johnson to kick out them dirty blood clots. Some of it. I say I own a Boris to look. I say I'm sorry, I could Boris because I do legal. Yeah, right this so. Number jailers 22419. Blood clot. You don't hear that? You don't hear that? Why? I can't take it, Mr.
Who is this? Who is this? Oh, what's up? Mother check my number. Huh?
Glad to see your mama going to coffee got dead.
Who's that?
Your mama for drop dead. That what your mama for do.
Oh no,
One when they type again that your mama just dropped blood clot dead.
Yeah. Hi Sienna.
Just
she must look like bombshell now.
Just catch me. I did. You know what? Shh. Shut up your mouth, child.
Is it? She must get big at bombshell. Is it?
Just catch me. Pick up yourself.
Where's the next baby?
Pick up yourself, baby. Pick up yourself.
How's your dad? Okay. Waiting, just chilling.
You want me put up my cash up? You want me cry for cash up too? I like you don't realize me my stomach strong. You want me call for cash up?
How many know him did this? I forgot somebody else.
My cash up. So talk to me nice right so. Mama know. You want to send me $20 I think like it about you. Or you want to send me $0.99? Come, man, you have to do something, man.
T, do it good.
Come now. Talk to me and respond to me back now.
Go Dawson. It is at Dawson.
And one thing me know though, una dark to family.
Yeah.
One blood clot
Yeah, she do it
dark
good too.
to no one
Yeah.
family. Dark to no vomit.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, baby. Love you, baby. Bye.
Dark,
Cristiano.
dark,
Cristiano.
dark to no one vomit. Uno pass leech. Uno
Zero.
pass chink. Uno pass scrabblers. Uno pass crowbait. Uno pass lice. Uno the last bug when nobody can see for earth.
See Cristiano for you, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'll
So,
kiss her, man.
Alright then. Alright, bye.
What's up, baby?
Alright,
blood
bye.
clot.
Job, bring them
No,
blood.
it hurt them.
Bring them blood clot.
It hurt them. It hurt them. But me know, mama telling her, Ukku, the one them a well one talk, them a send out the judgment, them a pray. Come talk with the real blood clot PH. Me said talk with the real PH. Yeah, with them animation series typing we are going to so come up with a PH mama pooper. Yeah. I go see what I go show down. Come up now, man.
Yeah, cartoon character. Yeah, look at where Java said up on the live. Where? Oh yeah! One clock. Wait, them you share some people. But I don't want to take my man to my man place now. Where husband job, woman job, myself in show. But look now. On the tattoo the show done this, Then again.
Them
Yeah, come pick the blood clot tattoo is. On the dead again.
Shit them.
On the dead again. But just the point on your page and look on it. Oh my God. On the dead again. You up.
Yes. Come out now. Drunk without wing. Come chat and search on Google. Yeah, mama tell you.
See the person here.
Mama tell you when you go up on Google.
See that?
Yeah, come me send it to Auntie. Auntie get it. Come ask her back for the real picture and she send me it. She get it, she see it. So
send it to Elizabeth.
You see that? Ukku, when I hear you good, come up. Ukku, take up your hand up on the something. Take your hand up for the speaker.
You can't hear me now?
Yeah, we are here now.
You can't hear me now? So, Elizabeth, look, Tanya, you're laughing. Look, Elizabeth, can I love people business? Look, that's the picture, Elizabeth. We went on Google and we found the person. That's not Tanya. Because you love people business. Look. I love blood clot people business. Elizabeth, please don't type my name. Please don't tell me not what Tanya wants. If Tanya wants to say anything about me, she free to say anything about me. Me not agree with Tanya. If Tanya say me for dead, that's Tanya business. Me not agree with Tanya.
Still worry about Auntie?
You lot got shame, innit?
One, Nicole, big up yourself.
You lot got shame.
Now look on them, Ukku.
Nicole there?
Yeah, Auntie Nicole here.
Nicole there?
Ukku.
Nicole, come here. Add Nicole. Add Nicole. Nicole, send me a request, baby.
Me not eat that tonight, Ukku. And Nicole, me see a while ago. Who me see? No, Nicole, I me see a while ago.
No. Yeah, I probably different Nicole.
So see it there. See it right there.
So see it there, people. Right there, some people with floss and gone.
Yeah, one more them one. want book on a blood clot ticket to L. That's what I want do. I want book on a ticket to L. Oh, I don't know when I feel like someone can bring down, when they can't bring down nobody. They say anyone on the internet thing I feel like someone can ramp with blood clot me. Wanna see something. Cause on the art for blood clot reach. I was made for this, okay?
Why is it?
I went to school for this. Oh,
It's a hell of a thing when people eat your still, you
bad,
know. But bad to bad.
bad.
Bad to bad. Bad to bad. Look what I must say, Tanya to blood clot. Bad to
That's
bad.
not
That's
like
not Tanya.
when me see the picture a while ago, me said to Auntie say me too come. Me have to go back over the car, me have to send it. Watch all the whole of the chest and so in the blue tab. In a blue tab. Eh?
Okay.
She have on a
Yeah.
marina looking tab. The tattoo should have spread weapon that the chest there.
You know, see the chest
Bun
bun up.
right up. Bun right up.
Yeah. So that's not Tanya, people. Ah, you lot got tricked. Fucking asshole motherfuckers got tricked.
There you go.
You lot got tricked again. You lot got tricked again. You fucking dumbass fuckers.
Sister Ukku the easy, you know.
Sometimes you have to laugh, you know. You have to laugh. Sometimes you have to laugh when these people talk, you know. Sometimes you people are talking, you have to just laugh
Yeah.
the blood clot. The person that look them, I share back again. The person that look like them take a
Yeah,
tablet
they take
and
some
it fuck
pills.
up them blood
Yes.
clot.
Yes, that look like it's a wrong
Yeah.
medication taking go under this so. Mm-hmm. And that somebody like them HIV positive, you see the spots them. What am I gonna say again?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So the jailers people them with a fake page them, wanna just come blood clot attack me. You see, now I do know now. More I'm just get which part when I leave the location because the IP do show the location. I don't know where to sell for me and get IP from. I wanna feel like the people that have links and people that man. Don't talk. Oh.
Mm-mm. Tina there. Tina, what Tina? The Tina gone.
Tina good at
Tag Tina.
you know what it
Just run. I'm giving you a good advice, baby. Me, you don't have anything. Nobody can make me have arguments. Me and you would never have arguments on social media. Just move on. Me, you're not talking on his phone. Me, you're not talking in the inbox. I'm just giving you good advice. Move on. Jag on. You love your husband? Move on. You love your kids? Show your kids them and show these people on the internet. You're choosing your kids them over baga. As what the people them say. You don't respect your kids. Show the people them say. You choose your kids them. No over baga. This not paying you or less. At two places you're gonna end up here. You're gonna end up under stress, you're gonna end up whatever, or go prison. Cause that's all it's gonna make you go two places. And that's a good advice I'm giving you. Two places it can take you to prison or to the hell. And you don't want that. So I'm just giving you a good advice, but I like to say that picture is not you though. Bad to bad. It's not you. And these wicked people on social media agree with you. Look at this person. Look at this person himself, Tanya. This is not Tanya. Look. We Google it. Look at the person name. Look there. Look there. Should have the social number on now. Watch it. Watch it. Well, so could on. Okay. Them say Tanya this. Look there. This is not Tanya. Them say fucking best. You understand me? It's the best. The best of all best. The best of all best. The best of all best. You understand me? The best of all best. The best of all best. The best of all best. Social media bad duo. The best of all best. The best of all best. The best of all social media bad duo. The best of all best. Good night to you, baby. Good night to you, baby. See you tomorrow. Good night to you, baby. Good night to you. But I'm getting off now. I need some time with my fucking self now. I done with Bagger Bagger. I done it with Bagger Bagger. CER. All right, goodbye, CER. I think my black here is still a fire. Goodbye. Yeah, see you tomorrow, baby. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah, see you tomorrow too, baby. Have a good night. I'm getting off of here because these people are all live for bullets. Bagger. And I'm getting off of here. Bye. But I just say it's not Tanya. Goodbye. You don't like it? Drop asleep. Good night, baby.